In life's journey, much like the operations at Demarco Dumpster, we are often faced with insurmountable challenges. Recognizing that these hurdles, akin to the refuse we encounter in our daily operations, are temporary is the first step towards overcoming them. Our service, specializing in Dumpster Rental Auburn, New York, is a testament to persistence and resilience. By not giving up in the face of adversity, whether it's a challenging project or a tight deadline, we've grown not just as a business but as a steadfast community member. The essence of showing up, a principle we deeply cherish at Demarco Dumpster, resonates beyond the realm of our dumpster rental services. It speaks to the heart of every individual striving towards their goals, dreams, and the vision of a clutter-free environment, literally and metaphorically. Our dedication to exceptional service in Auburn, New York is a daily testament to the power of persistence and the magic that unfolds when we commit to showing up, no matter the obstacles. Just as Thomas Edison's consistent presence in his laboratory led to groundbreaking inventions, our unwavering dedication to our craft and clients paves the way for unparalleled service in the dumpster rental industry. At Demarco Dumpster, we embody the principle of being unreasonable for success, challenging the status quo, not just in the realm of dumpster rental but in every aspect of our lives. We believe in the transformative power of consistency, discipline, and removing negative influences, setting the stage for a future brimming with possibilities. By embracing these values, we enhance our lives and contribute positively to the communities we serve. Let us help you clean up your life, one dumpster at a time, fostering an environment where success is not just a possibility but a certainty. Visit us at demarcodumpsters.ours.com or call us at 315-675-4400 to learn more about how our services can support your journey towards a cleaner, more prosperous future.